Hey guys, it's Sean here bringing you another how-to video. Today we are going to adjust the idle screw on a Honda CRF50F. This video should apply to all years of the 50F as well as the Honda XR50 from back in the day. So first, let's take a look at what we need. A screwdriver is all you're going to need to adjust the idle on your Honda. And you can use a flathead or a Phillips or even a JIS or Japanese Industrial Standard screwdriver. So let's take a look at the carb, and the idle screw is actually that guy right there, the one that my fingertip was pointing to. So you can see it does allow for a Phillips head, or you can see it's slotted for a flathead as well if you'd like. Now, to adjust this, if you want to turn your idle up, you're going to turn clockwise or to the right, and that will speed the idle up. If you want to slow it down, just turn it counterclockwise or to the left, and that will slow it down. I noticed on this bike, I just picked it up, and the idle was pretty fast. I did have my son rip around a little bit, get it nice and warmed up. I did go and tune it by replace the spark plug, replace the air filter, made sure it's nice and oiled, and then just replace the oil, the engine oil as well. Just to go through it, got her nice and cleaned up, and still felt the idle was a little high, so I just turned it down, and now we're in good shape. So hopefully this video could help you out. If you don't mind, please like and subscribe for more how-to videos. Thanks everybody. Let me know if you have questions.